Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. This device caught my attention because it promises both powerful performance and an elegant design. If you're someone who values high-quality technology that offers both style and functionality, then this video might be exactly what you're looking for. I've been using this laptop for a while, and there are many features I'd like to share with you. Let's dive in and explore everything this laptop has to offer, from design to performance, display to battery life. Now, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll receive more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech products. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps us grow and bring more content to you. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 or any other tech products you'd like me to review. When it comes to design, the first thing that stands out about the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is its sleek and minimalist look. The metallic body, ultra-thin bezels, and modern aesthetic come together to give it a truly premium feel. It's not just about looks. When you hold the laptop, it feels solid and high quality. Its slim profile makes it easy to slide into your backpack or messenger bag without adding too much weight, making it incredibly portable. Weighing just 1.7 kilograms and only 15 millimeters thick, it's easy to carry around wherever you go, making it an ideal companion for anyone who's always on the go. What really makes the design stand out, however, is the 360-degree rotating screen. This laptop isn't just a traditional laptop. It can be turned into a tablet mode. This provides you with flexibility in how you work in various ways. If you're into creative work, this is a feature you'll appreciate. With the included S Pen, the ability to draw, write, or take notes makes this device a perfect choice for digital artists, graphic designers, or anyone who likes to stay creative on the go. The ability to rotate the screen and transform it into a tablet makes it a versatile tool for work, presentations, or entertainment. Speaking of the display, the image quality is truly impressive. The AMOLED display is vibrant, sharp, and incredibly clear. With a 2880 by 1800 resolution, you get pixel-perfect clarity and stunningly vivid colors. The 100% sRGB color gamut ensures that every image you work on looks true to its original form. Watching movies or videos on this display is an absolute treat. The colors are rich and realistic, and the blacks are deep and true, making for an immersive viewing experience. However, no display is perfect, and you may notice some reflection when using it in direct sunlight. This could be a small inconvenience if you work outside often, but overall, this screen provides a great experience for indoor tasks. Whether you're working in a coffee shop, library, or at home, the quality is more than enough to get the job done, and the bright screen allows you to see details clearly. Let's now talk about performance. The Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and 32 gigabytes of RAM, which means this laptop can handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're multitasking with multiple apps, working on graphic-intensive projects, or running demanding software, this device can keep up without noticeable lag. Even with several apps open at once, the laptop runs smoothly, making it a great option for anyone who needs to handle both light and heavy tasks. Whether you're into software development, video editing, or any other resource-heavy work, this laptop provides a smooth and reliable experience. While the laptop performs exceptionally well for productivity tasks, it's worth noting that it's not designed for high-end gaming. If you're looking for a system to play the latest games on ultra settings, this may not be the best choice for you. However, for most professionals and content creators, it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks, media consumption, and creative work. The key is finding the right balance, and when it comes to work performance, the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 excels. One of the standout features of this laptop is the 360-degree rotating screen. This is more than just a flashy gimmick. It allows the laptop to transform into a fully functional tablet, perfect for digital note-taking, drawing, or sketching. The included S Pen makes it an excellent tool for artists and creators. If you're into graphic design or digital art, the pen's precision and the screen's rotation open up a whole new world of possibilities. Whether you're in a meeting, giving a presentation, or just relaxing and sketching, the ability to switch between laptop and tablet modes is a truly valuable feature. Now, while this laptop is amazing, there are a few small things that could be improved. For instance, when you switch to tablet mode, the keyboard gets disabled, which can be a little inconvenient if you need to type a long text while in that mode. However, tablet mode is typically for tasks like note-taking or drawing, so it's not a major issue. Connectivity is another area where the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 shines. It comes with a wide range of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, Thunderbolt 4, and HDMI, making it easy to connect external displays and other devices. The only downside is the lack of a microSD card slot, but for most users, the included USB-C and Thunderbolt 4 ports provide more than enough connectivity options. Battery life is always an important factor, and the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 doesn't disappoint in this area. With up to 18 hours of battery life, this laptop can easily last an entire workday or a long flight without needing a charge. And if you're in a pinch, the fast charging feature lets you get hours of use in just a short amount of time, making it incredibly convenient for busy professionals. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is a powerful, versatile, and beautifully designed laptop that's perfect for professionals, creatives, and anyone who values high-quality technology. It strikes a great balance between portability and performance, offering everything you need to work, create, and enjoy on the go. Whether you're editing photos, drawing, working on presentations, or just browsing the web, this laptop can handle it all with ease. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And let me know if you'd like to see more reviews or other tech-related content. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.